Hello everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to install MicroStrategy Workstation and how to start using it for free. This means that you can use this tool to create dashboards without the need for a license or any type of subscription. This is an excellent option for those who want to start learning MicroStrategy but are not yet linked to a company that has a license, or simply for those who want to develop dashboards for their personal or business projects. To start, we are going to go to our browser, and in Google we are going to search for MicroStrategy Workstation. In the results, we are going to directly select the MicroStrategy page that says MicroStrategy Workstation. On this page, we can find more information about this tool, but for now we go directly to the bottom right where it says Download Workstation. We click, and now MicroStrategy asks us to enter our account. If we still do not have an account, we can write our email and click Continue. On this page, we will be able to register with our name, surname, work email, and a password. If you do not have a work email, you can try it with your personal email and it may also work. Then, we click on Verify Email. Your email will receive a code to activate your account. Once activated, you can enter to download. Since I already have an account, I will return to login normally. I click Download Workstation again, I enter my email and click Continue. And now I enter my password and click Sign In. Now I just click Download Workstation again. MicroStrategy will give me two options, one for Windows and one for Mac. In this case, we are going to do the installation for Windows. I click, and as you can see, the download starts. Since the file is a bit large, the download might take a few minutes. Once the download is finished, we go to our File Explorer and open our Downloads folder. There, we will find a file in zip format that we must decompress. For this, we right-click on the file, select 7-zip and click on Extract here. This will create a new folder in our downloads with the application we need to start the MicroStrategy Workstation installation. As you can see, this process is quite fast. Once we finish unzipping the file, we open the new folder and look for the Workstation Setup.x application. We double-click on this application and a new window opens with the Workstation installer. We accept terms and conditions and click Install. This is all we have to do. However, you must have a little patience because the installation process takes several minutes. As you can see, after 20 minutes, the installation of the application finished successfully, and now I can close the window and go directly to my desktop where I will find a shortcut to MicroStrategy Workstation. If you don't find this shortcut, you can search for the application with your Windows browser. We double-click on Workstation, and in this way we open the application that is ready to be used. By default, a new window opens to add a new environment, but this is not necessary. If you have access to one, you can add it, but if not, you can go directly to the dossiers part to start creating dashboards. In future videos, I will show you how to use this application, how to create a dashboard, how to use the different data connectors, among other features of MicroStrategy Workstation. I hope this content has been helpful to you, and thank you very much for watching this video. Do not hesitate to subscribe to the channel, and see you soon.